Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah, is King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today I'm gonna do a trade recap on my trades on Aapl and Nvda. So let me just break down how I look at this morning. Let's see. Go to the 15-minute. So Aapl has a overlapping lower value on the Camarilla levels. Previous day R3 was 173.75. S3 was, let's see what that was, 172.64. And today's R3 is at 173.59. S3 is at 172.46. So we have an overlapping lower value. Looking for moderately bearish activity, and also we're looking for the rejection of that thesis, right? So if we come down in the pre-market and we hit S3 and start pushing up, excuse me, right, if we hit S3 like how we did here, like this is how I read the Camarillas, right? If we start hitting S3, right, in a moderately bearish situation, and we start getting support and start pushing up in the open, right? On the daily chart, let's just look at that for a second, right? So at the daily chart, we're at a breakout level, right? We're very bullish. We're looking strong, right? So let's see here. Right, so we have this big run up on Aapl, right? We're at the highs, right? So take that into consideration, right? Then we come back here, we're getting support in a moderately bearish setup. We're getting support at S3, which is our support level, right? We're breaking the pivot right here, the pivot line on the floor pivots, right? And we start pushing up, right? So it's set up on the daily to break out. We're getting support at S3, so we're pushing up, right? So it's looking strong. So this is my thesis. If we're in a strong market, if the Qs is strong today, Aapl is gonna break out, right? So this is what I did. So at the break of what was that there? I believe that's pre-market low. Is it? Yeah, I think it is pre-market. No. Hold on. I forgot what that green line is. But anyway, on the break of R1 173.21, right? I took the breakout of VWAP right there. Let's see what level that was. 173.31, right? So when we got that wick rejection at R4, I just stopped out at 173.52 on the breakdown of R3, right? So took another long here at 173.75 and added to the position on the break of R4 at 174.22. And when it broke down below floor pivot R1 at 173.93, I just stopped out, and that netted me a profit. So it was like two profitable trades, but you know, like when I added here, so it cut into the profit. So it's two profitable trades really. But so don't think that this one here was a loss because I added here, you know what I'm saying? This here netted me a lot from going up to this level, and this just kind of ate into the profit. So still profitable on these two trades on Aapl. All right, let's go over to, so this is when I realized, right? So looking at the Qs as well, this is when I realized, well, okay, this is, the market is weak and it's not going, right? So we're rejecting R4 on Aapl, right? So Aapl is supposed to be the strong one, and as far as I see it, Nvda is the weaker stock, right? So let's see, going up to the daily chart, Nvda is bullish, right? But it's in a kind of consolidation, kind of range motion right here, right? So we still haven't broken the highs of this range, right? So we're pushing up. We got this double bottom here, just like Apple is pushing up, but this is not as strong, right? So we got that pullback right there to volume point of control, and now we're kind of at a breakout level, but this is not as strong as Apple, right? So if we're in a weak market, I'm looking for Nvidia to sell off a lot more, right? So let's see, going down to the 5 minute. Let's see what kind of setup we got here. Let's see, where is S3? Right. Okay, cool. So S3 previous day was 188.79, R3 was 191.82. Today S3 is at 186.99 and R3 is at 190.51, right? So it's an overlapping lower value, so we're looking for a moderately bearish setup. Let's see, let's make that bigger here now. Right, so the difference with Nvidia, it's showing weakness, right? Just like how Apple was having support at S3, right, in the same moderately bearish setup, Nvidia is actually breaking down, right? Breaking VWAP, retesting VWAP, and staying below S3, right? So S3 is here and it's staying below. Broke S3 at this level right here and just continued downwards. Had the pop-up retest VWAP and we're moving in lower, testing lower VWAP right here, finding some support. And then into the open, we're having this, this is kind of like my Mama Bear strategy, right? So it's a overlapping lower value on the Camarillas and we're retesting S3 for the breakdown, right? So entered short here at the break of upper VWAP, and let's see what that was. So after Apple failed, I came over to Nvidia, shorted at 186.20, added to the position here at 185.03, and then when we had this pop back up, I just I closed the position right here, right? So that was a profitable trade. Went short here again at the break, anticipating the break of what is that, lower VWAP, this green line right here, and added to the position right here at 183.88 as we rode down, right? Added to the position here again at 183.30, and then exited the position with a profit. Not really that great of a profit really, but I was hoping to get lower, right? So when we pop back up, I just exited the position right here at 183.16. So all in all, this the reason I came out of this position right here is because of too much support at this S2 level, this floor pivot S2. It's too much support I'm seeing right here at this level. Now it might still break down, but I gotta stick to my rules that if we're in a downtrend and we break back above and close above lower VWAP, I should probably get out of it because it's not that strong of a downtrend, right? So it might still go, you know, we're in a nice little move down here, you know what I mean? It might still go, but according to my rules, this is not a nice trend, if you understand what I'm saying, right? So like you see, we're still pushing down. So if I held here, right, and kept my stop like above this level, I'd still be in the trade, but I want a cleaner price action than that, you know what I'm saying? So it's better to just take my smaller green day and wait for my runners, you know. My runners are gonna come, it's gonna show better price action than this, you know what I'm saying? It's not gonna have too much support like this, right? Like these double bottoms and stuff like that. It's gonna give me very good confirmation on the move lower. So let this one go, and we'll find our runners, you know what I'm saying? Because we're looking for big trades. I'm not looking to scalp or nothing like that. So I'd rather take some break-even trades and wait for my runners, if you understand what I'm saying. Alright, y'all, so it's King Yediya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.